at one point you will likely want to incorporate a slider or a carousel into your web page layout. And Slick by Ken Wheeler is an excellent resource. So you can go through, matter of fact, before we get into this, just so you know, depending on which class you're in, if you're in MAT 125, then just log in to the server and to the MAT server, go to our class folder, and then inside our class folder you'll see a demos folder, and then I have the Slick folder, which you will need, or there is the zip file you could download and uncompress. It's up to you. And then for SDSU, you'd go to the rogue server, you'd go to your class, in this case let's just say the Art 444 class, and then look in the demos folder, and we should be able to see the Slick demo folder and the Slick slider zip file. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and move both of these out of the way. Once you download the folder, okay, what you'll see inside this demo is the lazy slider reduced version code. So this is just the slider, nothing else. And then there's a link to Ken Wheeler's GitHub site here. And then this happens to be the demo that I'm going to do, the start point for the demo I'm going to do here in the video. And then this is just the minimum text file. This is the minimum code for the slider. The links, the style, CSS styles, the HTML setup, and then also the JavaScript files, all in this text document, which I will use in this demo. So what is very important is when you download this folder, you'll see the Slick folder inside. So whatever project you're working on that you want to incorporate the Slick carousel or the Slick slider, you need this folder copied into your root level folder. If you do so, all of the links that I'm going to go over, everything should just work. Okay, you won't have to modify any of the links. Now, if I haven't already stated, this demo is if you are adding the Slick slider to a website which you are creating on your local drive, your local computer, and you're using an editor like Dreamweaver or Brackets, and then you're uploading your files to the server. If that's the case, this is the right demo for you. If you want to incorporate a Slick slider into a Codepen project, there's a separate demo for that, okay? Because it's a little bit different of a setup, all right? So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rolling here, and let's just go, I'm going to use Dreamweaver, but you could use an editor of your choice. So here's my start point. And I've just created a document. I've called it Slick Demo. I've saved it, in this case, into the Slick slider demo folder, the one that I just showed you. Okay. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need the links that are going to link to our CSS files inside the Slick folder. That is the folder that you would copy and paste into your project before you started this process. All right, so let's go ahead and get those first two links. And we'll just find the title of our document and paste. Okay, and you'll see that we have Slick CSS, Slick Theme CSS, and these are both looking for the Slick folder inside of our project. Okay, all right.